Ideal shape, perfect for cakes, brownies, pastries, bar-type cookies, casseroles and lasagnas. Anodized aluminum, it's the ideal baking surface. Our safe seal anodizing process creates a safer, stronger baking pan. A durable, non-reactive finish that bakes a wider variety of recipes, including citrus-based and savory recipes. Freezer safe. Heats cools quicker, by reflecting heat, rather than absorbing heat. ProSeries cake pans reach baking temperatures faster. Even heating allows for the best possible rise. Once out of the oven, they cool quicker, preventing overbaking. No extra metals or chemical coatings. Anodizing is not a coating. It is an environmentally friendly process that contains no chemical additives, dyes, PTFEs or PFOAs. Nothing that can transfer, peel, flake or rust into your baking. Built bakery tough. These are the same pans bakeries, commercial kitchens and baking enthusiasts around the world depend on every day for professional results. Lifetime warranty. Hand wash recommended. Top reviews from the United States. The best cake pan. I am no professional baker, but for special occasion I do attempt my hand at making fancy cakes. One of the biggest struggles was getting a cake that was cooked evenly, removed easily, and was the same size on all sides. Normally I have to reshape the cake because the sides are uneven. That was because I was using cheap pans from places like Walmart. I have also used this pan lined with parchment paper to make roasts, and I love how it distributes the heat evenly. It is also a great size for cooking and baking. I do have to warn buyers that you should hand wash it. It was accidentally put in the washing machine and it seems it may have permanently discolored the pan. However, it has not lost its functionality.